you guys, I'm back with another unit from Nadula Hair. This is their 5x5 Yaki straight wig. I have mine in 24 inches, but y'all, I have had this unit in a 13x4, a 7x5, and now I have it in the 5x5 HD lace. It's already pre-plucked. I like that they changed the elastic strap on this. This band is so much more comfortable, and here's just the inside peek of the unit, y'all. But this particular wig, like this Yaki, is one of my most favorite textures. It's actually one of my most favorite wigs. I don't care if it's in a 13, the 5x5 right here. I'm going to wear the crap out of it, and the fact that it's a closure unit right now in the summertime when I'm in Dallas and today was 101 degrees just means I don't have to do the most as far as making sure my lace stays put. So I just added a little bit of hairspray right to the edges just to keep it from slipping back, falling back, all that good stuff, and then just blow drying it down. This is just my normal lace routine, y'all. Nothing super special, just a little bit of hairspray, and that's all I needed. I don't really sweat too much on my forehead, but if you do, and if you're in a hot, humid state like I am in Texas, then you might want to add a little bit more. So they have already plucked this unit, y'all. So you could really just pop this on and go, but I am an edges kind of girl. So I'm just going to lay my edges really quickly. This lace just melts right on in. It does not take a lot of work, a lot of effort. It is literally perfect for, of course, the summertime, like I just said, and it's back to school as well. So if you're a teacher, you're a mom, whoever, and you need a go-to unit, which we all need for back to school time, just something that you can always look good and decent in and don't have to put a lot of effort in, this is going to be a necessity for you. So this is a step that I always do, y'all. So after laying my edges with my design essentials, I always put extra foam at the top, especially when it's a Yaki texture, this natural texture that just mimics, you know, type for hair. I always put a little bit more at the hairline, and then I'm just going to use my black strip to lay it all down, and that melts it. To me, that's like the final seal for me. It just melts it down so much more. Doing it like this, I don't have to like really make the elastic band that I'm using right here super tight. So that's just a little quick tip from me to you. Now look at these edges, y'all. Look how great that melted. I'm telling you, this never fails. This is the easiest freaking wig ever. It does not take a lot for it to look so good. Okay, so next, y'all, let's go ahead and style it. I'm just going to show it to you straight. I'm just going to take my crock flat iron, do kind of like medium-sized pieces. I'm using, I think, 410 degrees and just running that all over. I love this hair when it's nice and straight, and I also love it curled. It does hold a wave, which I'll show you guys in a second, really well. So keep that in mind. It's super soft, and another thing that I think just makes it look a lot more natural is that it's not too full or too thick. Sometimes wigs can look a little bit too full, given it that wiggy look, but not this. But also it does help that I added my wax stick, which you'll see in just a second. Loving how it's turning out, but adding my wax stick to the top, not too much because I didn't want to weigh down, and then just also using my hot comb with this as well. So I'm just kind of going back and forth between the hot comb, wax stick, and my flat iron to get it nice and straight. Here, just adding a little bit of powder to my part, and then I'm just going to cut just a little bit of a layer right in the front, just kind of breaking up the one layer a bit. They kind of did it for you, but I want it to be a little bit more prominent, so I did that on both sides. Going to just lift up my baby hairs, just doing a few touches here and there, and that's about it. So don't go anywhere. I'm gonna show you how it looks nice and straight and sleek, which is
Nadula.